We're above the dog pen, close to the highway. Thinking we got a bird that may have been hit. Y'all playing games with us? Get him! Get him!
Find it! Find it! Find it!
Find the bird.
Triple bird. Find it! Find it!
Find him! Find him, Sonny! Get him, Sonny! Get him, Sonny! Get him, Sonny! Get him, Sonny!
Rusty, here! Rusty! Come here, dead bird! Find him, Rusty!
Dead bird! Dead bird! Dead bird! Dead bird! Dead bird! Dead bird! Get him!
Dead! Find him, Sonny! Find him!
Get him, Sonny!
Find him, Rusty!
Get him, Sonny!
Rusty! Come in here, find him! Find him, dead! Dead, find him! Up, find him, Sonny! Find him! Whoop! Come here, Rusty!
Come on, Sonny! Sonny, come in here!
It wasn't. I sure thought it was going to be that triple bird.
It should have been. Where's Sassy? She's got the bird!
Oh, come here, Sassy!
Sassy, pick him up! Fetch!
I wonder where she came
Come here!
with the good girl. Good girl.
Good girl. Good girl, Sassy.
From with the bird.
Unbelievable, isn't it?
Yeah.
She saw the bird better than we did.
I think there's a bird there.
Yes, I do too. A good job. Out of nowhere.